Nurses are some of the most qualified home buyers in the country. Stable employment, consistent W-2 income, 2-year work history that lenders actually want to see. And a huge number of nurses are still renting, some paying $1,500 to $2,000 a month, not because they don't qualify, but because nobody walked them through the math. This video is that walkthrough. I'm Thomas Collins, founder of Shift Rich. I bought my first duplex in 2017, making $27 an hour. My mortgage was $840 and a month. My tenant paid $700. My net cost out of pocket was $140 a month. Before that, I was paying $1,400 in rent. I wasn't a nurse, but the strategy runs the same way, regardless of the profession. What changes is the income number. And for most nurses, that number is stronger than mine was. Here's what I see happen. A nurse has a solid income, decent credit, 2+ years at the same hospital or health system. On paper, they qualify, but they've been told or they assume that they needed 20% down, that they need to wait. That real estate is for people with more money or more time or more connections. None of that is true for most nurses. What's missing isn't money, it's information about how the math actually works for their situation. If you're paying $1,500 a month in rent right now, that's $18,000 a year. In 3 years, $54,000, none of it comes back. Step 1, understand what you actually qualify for. FHA loans require 3.5% down with a 580 credit score or above. For a nurse earning $75,000 to $95,000 range, income qualification is typically not the hurdle. The key number is that to income. FHA wants your total monthly debt payments under 43% of gross monthly income. Student loans count, but so does rental income from the property. A lender who works with FHA multi-unit deals regularly can run the numbers in one call. Most nurses I talk to are already in the range before the conversation ends. Step 2, target a duplex. A duplex is 2 units. You live in one, rent the other. Duplexes skip FHA self-sufficiency tests. That applies to triplexes and fourplexes, which make them similar to finance. The rent from unit 2 directly offsets your mortgage. Depending on your market and purchase price, your net monthly cost can drop significantly below what you're paying in rent. Step 3, run your actual numbers. Every market is different. The formula is figure out what your all-in monthly mortgage is. Principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and FHA mortgage insurance. Research what comparable units rent for in the neighborhoods you're looking at. Subtract the rental income from the mortgage. That's your net monthly housing costs. In a lot of markets, a nurse buying a duplex in the $250 to $350 price point range ends up paying less per month than their prior rent, while building equity at the same time. Step 4, the tenant relationship. You're living next door to this person. That means screening matters. Background check, credit check, property lease, basic knowledge of your standards, state's landlord-tenant law. Set a professional tone from day one. Relationship works when it's structured. Nurses who work a 12-hour shift manage this fine. The key is having the right systems in place before you close, so routine issues don't turn into crisis. Step 5, build your reserve before closing. 3 to 6 months of mortgage payments sitting in a reserve account after closing. Things break, HVAC, appliances, plumbing. If you spend every dollar getting into the deal, the first $2,000 repair feels like a disaster. Build the reserve first. I'll use my own deal because it's like the one I can speak to completely. 2017, making $27 an hour. Got a duplex. My mortgage was $840. Tenant was paying $700. Net out of pocket was $140. I've been paying $1,450 in rent. A nurse earning $80,000 a year is in a stronger qualifying position than I was when I did this. The income is higher. The paper trail is cleaner. Math runs the same direction. What changes is the purchase price range and the rental income. And in most markets, both go up together. If you're a nurse who's been renting and you want to understand where you actually stand, the Smart Home Buyers Playbook is linked in the description. It's $39. It walks through the full FHA house hacking process. What to have ready before you talk to a lender, how to run the numbers on a multi-unit deal, and what to look for in an agent who's done these before. Drop your city in the comments. I'll read them. If I can't point you somewhere useful, I will. Subscribe. New videos every week. Thanks for joining me.